For the Lord himself shall descend from heaven with a shout, with the voice of the archangel, and with the trump of God, and the dead in Christ shall rise first. Then we which are alive and remain shall be caught up together with them in the clouds to meet the Lord in the air, and so shall we ever be with the Lord. This is about the day of the Lord. And the reason why I say this is because, first off, he says, with the trump of God. Which trump is he talking about? There's 7 trumpets. And then it says, the dead will rise first. Who are the dead in Christ? These are the martyrs. These are those who were killed for not taking the mark of the beast and bowing down to the image of the beast. That's who the dead in Christ are. They rise first. Because remember, there is a first resurrection. And that's what this is. And then those who are alive and remain will be caught up to meet the Lord in the air. This takes place on the day of the Lord. There's no secret about this. Now, let's go to 1 Corinthians 15:52. And we can both agree that 1 Thessalonians chapter 4, verse 16 and 17, and 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 52 are talking about the same event, right? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and read it. In a moment, in the twinkling of an eye, at the last trump, for the trumpet shall sound, and the dead shall be raised incorruptible, and we shall all be changed. All right, so it says there that in a moment, in a twinkling of an eye, at the last trump, the trumpet will sound. There are 7 trumpets. The 7 trumpet sounds in Revelation chapter 11, verse 16. This is when the tribulation ends. So right here it says that it's the last trumpet sound. That part already tells us that this takes place on the day of the Lord. So both Thessalonians 4, 16 and 17 and 1 Corinthians 15, 52 are both talking about the same event, and it's about the day of the Lord. The 7th trumpet, the trump of God. Same event, because the dead rise first.